Water destroys every modern building on Earth, but it literally heals this 2,000-year-old stone. How did an ancient civilization create a rock that bleeds liquid limestone to sew its own wounds shut? For centuries, the world's top engineers thought the Romans were just sloppy. When analyzing ancient ruins, scientists kept finding tiny white chunks of lime scattered throughout the walls. Modern experts assumed this is just proof of poor, uneven mixing. So, modern industry made sure to filter out every single chunk to create flawless, smooth concrete. That turned out to be one of the most expensive blunders in human history. Researchers at MIT finally cracked the secret. The Romans weren't careless. They were using a technique called hot mixing with quicklime at extreme temperatures. This process left tiny, hidden reservoirs of calcium trapped inside the matrix. And right here is where the magic happens. Whenever a crack forms and rainwater seeps in, the water instantly dissolves those hidden lime deposits. A chemical reaction triggers, growing fresh calcium carbonate crystals that fill the gap. In plain English, the concrete literally sews its own wounds shut. Compare that to what we build today. Modern concrete relies on steel rebar, but as soon as water gets through a microscopic crack, that steel rusts, expands, and shatters the concrete from the inside out. We are building temporary structures that demand repairs every few decades, while the Romans engineered a material meant for eternity. Today, the global concrete industry is worth over $1 trillion and accounts for 8% of all global carbon emissions. The blueprint for greener, virtually indestructible cities was sitting in plain sight for 2 millennia, which makes you wonder how many other advanced modern solutions are actually a step backward compared to the past.